Hey guys, I'm Lakshya. Okay, let's start with the exercise 3.4. Here you have the first one. We divide the polynomial p of x with the polynomial g of x and find the coefficient and remainder for the following sums. Okay, for the following one. So here they have given the first one where p of x equal to x cube. Guys, they have given p of x and g of x. Okay, they have given what? P of x value and g of x value. Then what will be the p of x? As remember, the very and the main important topic, the main important point is where g of x is always the dividend. Okay, g of x will always be the dividend, guys. Okay, let me put on here. Where g of x is always the dividend. Remember, dividend has end. Okay, e and d, end. Dividend end means the number that we get in the middle of the box. Okay, so and where g of x will also be the divisor, dividend. Okay. And the g of x will also be will always be the divisor. Okay, divisor, sar, as you know, as we have said, divisor means our sar. Okay, so remember like that. Okay, where g of x will also always be the divisor and p of x will always be the dividend. Sorry, the dividend. And what else? Q of x means what? Coefficient, as we know, and r of x means remainder. Clear? We know this. Now coming back to this given question, here they have given what? They have given p of x, g of x value, and we must find q of x means coefficient and remainder for this given following. Clear? Now let's go with it. Firstly, solution. Solution. So here you have the let me make the table like this. Okay. So here we have given what? Where p of x case, where p of x means x cube minus, as here x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, this is the p of x value we have written. We are done with p of x value, and g of x value is x square minus 2. X square minus 2. Is this clear? Well, x square minus 2. Now what you do is, here remember guys, firstly, by solving this type of division, polynomial divisions or something like this, then you better firstly consider the first term of the number. Okay, first term of the given polynomial. So this is the given polynomial. Now consider the first term. Consider the first term of the given polynomial. So the first term over here is x cube. The first term is x cube. Here you got what? Here the first term is x square. Now the question is x square into dash will equals to x cube. Means here I should get the result which is there. The result which is there, it must result to x cube. Okay, where x square into which is the what value if I add a number. Okay, or if I add a variable. Okay, I should add a variable or I should add a number. So here I got x square into how much? Here what will be the variable? If I add x square. Okay, if I add x square, then what it would be? The result would be what? X power 4. It will be x power 4, right? If I x square into x power, this gives x power 4. So this won't become happen. So here, what results me x cube if I add something value here? Okay, which variable should I add over here to get x cube? Are you getting it? So then what you do? You add x. Okay, you add just x. Means x square into x means gives what? X cube. X square into x gives what? X cube. Remember guys, while solving this type of question, firstly you consider the first term of the given polynomial. Okay, consider the first term. The first term should be equated. Means the first term will be eliminated as we go on. I will show you. Okay. So clear? Here if I add x, if I place a value x, then it results me x cube. So that's what I would do. I will write x in the coefficient place. Okay, I will write x in the coefficient place. Now you do what you do, you multiply as it is, as we know in the divisions, you multiply like x square into x. X square into x, this becomes what? X cube. So write down x cube. Clear? X square into x, this becomes what? X cube. Now next one, here you have minus 2, right? You have minus 2. So minus 2 into x, this gives what? Minus 2x. But here I have what? Minus 3x square. So you don't consider this, you write minus 2x because this is x plus 5x, 2x, right? So write the minus 2x in the x border, just on the x places. Okay, now you go down. So here where you must subtract both the equations. So here this becomes minus. Okay, this becomes what? Plus. Clear? So plus minus cancel. So plus minus cancel. You getting like minus 3x square as it is. I will be getting like minus 3x square. And what else? Minus 3x square over here. And here you have 5x, 2x. So here the symbol, you know guys, consider the symbol that I have written newly, like see, consider this down symbol, don't consider the up symbol. Means here I have written like here minus, here I have plus, so plus into minus, minus. Okay, here I have minus, minus into minus, plus, like that. I have made something like multiplication by minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, like that. Okay, now here where 5 plus 2 becomes what? 7. I got it like 7x. Clear? Hope you are getting it. Okay, 7x minus as it is, I have taken this one. Now you got what? Minus 3x square. Now what you do? You equate the first term. Consider the first term. So first term is minus 3x square. You listen carefully till here. From here, okay, you have x square into what variable or which variable should I add to get minus 3x cube? It's 3x square. Okay. Which variable should I add over here to get minus 3x square? I have got x square into which variable or which number should I add to get minus 3x square, guys? Set? Yeah. As we know, where if we add minus 3, then we will be getting minus 3x square, because here you have x square plus over here plus x square plus into minus minus next x square into 3x square, right? Minus 3x square I got. Okay, I got minus 3x square. So then what you do? You take this value. You don't consider this as you have here. Okay, you consider this value, take this value, and you keep this value in the coefficient place. You keep this value in the coefficient place. Now you try to subtract. Okay, you try to multiply it as here you have x square into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3, like that. Okay, x square into minus 3, minus 3. I am considering symbol also. Okay, don't remember to consider single symbol. So you have minus 3. So x square into minus 3 gives what? Minus 3x square. Okay, and what else? Minus 2 into minus 3. 2 3s are 6, right? So minus into minus plus. So this becomes plus 6. Clear? This becomes plus 6. So here you don't have any value. Then what you do? You write 0x. As here you don't have any value, right? You can write 0x square. Okay, 0 means there isn't any value, right? So that's what I am writing. Okay. Now you got minus 3 because I have equated the first. As you see, the first terms are equal. It's not at all a problem if you get other terms different, but the first term should be equal, guys. Okay, the first term should be equal by solving this type of divisions of polynomial. Okay. Now here you must subtract this equation from this equation, right? So minus you have minus. So minus into minus, this becomes what? Plus. So where 3x square value is plus now. Okay, 3x square value, I have made 3x square minus 3x square as plus 3x by using this minus symbol. Okay, minus into minus plus. Again, you go with this minus. Minus into here you have what? Plus sign, right? So this becomes what? Minus. Clear? And you have minus sign. Here you have plus symbol. This becomes what? Minus into plus minus. So this becomes minus. Means 6 becomes minus. Are you getting it? 6 becomes minus. Now here you have minus 3x square plus 3x square gets cancelled. As we know, okay, done with the first term. Okay, we cancelled the first term. Now here you have plus 7x. So you write down plus 7x as it is. Okay, plus 7x. And you have minus 3 minus 6, 6 plus 6 minus 3 minus 6. This gives minus 9. Okay, this gives what? Minus 9. Now, okay, so here you go. You don't have any value. We are done with everything, right? So then 7x minus 9 will be the remainder. Clear? 7x minus 9 will be the remainder. Here I have placed minus because both the numbers are having minus, right? Minus symbols are there. So that's what I have placed minus. So 7x minus 9 will be the remainder for this given question. So what you do? You write coefficients where coefficient equals to x minus 3 and remainder equal to 7x minus 9. Clear? Clear? Hope you understood. Now let me go for the next one. Wait a minute. What's the next one? So here you have the next one where wait a minute. Hope you are getting it, guys. Right? Firstly, the important thing is firstly you must equate the first equation. Like first term should be equal with the coefficient that you take. Okay, if you take any coefficient, but the first term must be equal. Now we cannot not a problem if you get not a problem if you get the other terms different, but the first term should be equal. So that's the only trick in this one. Okay, to solve this type of questions. Now here let me go for the next one, the second question, where p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Yeah. And what is g of x? Where g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. So this is the given value. So here where p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square. Okay, 3x square. X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And g of x value is x square minus x plus 1. Clear? Now coming back to this. Now coming back to here, let's solve this given question. Very interesting question. So guys, here you go for divisions as you know. Divisions. Our table here we found. Now you write p of x value. P of x means dividend, right? So dividend means which comes in the middle. Okay, so this is dividend where p of x value x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x. Okay, so here guys, wait a minute. Here x power 4 minus 3x square. There is a missing. We will be having a missing term. So the missing term is minus. You got x power 4. X cube is missing, right? So then what you do? You go for cube, right? So then what you do? You go for cube like plus 0x cube. Okay, 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x. Wait a minute. Plus 4x plus 5. Clear? Plus 5. Clear? Now you go for x square minus x minus x plus 1. Okay? X square minus x plus 1. Now, okay. Now, as you know, equate the first term, right? Equate the first term. So here you have x square, here you have x power 4, x square into what is the variable? Which variable must be kept, or which variable should I multiply with to get x power 4? Then easily we know that if we add x square again, okay, x square into x square, this gives what? X power 4, right? So this is the variable. So I am going to add this value. I am going to place this value in the coefficient place. Okay, x square will be the value that I am going to place in the coefficient place. X into x square, x power 4, right? X power 4. We are done with this x into x square. This is how you multiply, guys. Okay, this is how you multiply. Where firstly x square into x square minus x into x square 1 into x square. Alright, so this is what. Maybe most of them, I also might get confused while multiplying this coefficient and divisor. Let it be. But here, come back to the problem where x square into x square x power 4. Okay, minus x into x square. This gives what? Minus x square into x cube. This gives what? Minus x cube. Okay, minus x cube. Minus x cube. Next, what is 1 into x square? 1 into x square. This gives what? Plus into plus, right? So here you both have plus over here, plus over. This becomes plus x square. Plus x square. Clear? Now you go with minus over here. Minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. This becomes plus. And what else? Here you have minus into plus. Minus into plus. What else? Minus. Okay. Now guys, here where the first term goes, and now let's start with the second term. Here you have 0 plus 1. Plus 0 minus 1. So this becomes what? X cube, right? X cube. Clear? So this becomes x cube, and here you have minus 3. This becomes minus 4. Minus 4, yeah. Minus 4x square. Because here you have minus 3, here you have minus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 4x square. Now you transpose, like you bring this plus 4x down. So this becomes plus 4x. Clear? Clear? Now, equate the first equation as we know. Equate the first equation. So guys, here where the first one, here you got x square, right? So x square into which will be, what will be the value? If I add, what will be the value should I keep over here to get x cube? Okay, x square into what will be the value should I keep over there to get x cube? So then I definitely would say x. Okay, if I place x, then I would be getting like x square into x. This becomes x cube. Okay, x power 3. So where here the coefficient, in the coefficient place, what do? I would place positive x or negative x? Positive x. So I would place positive x. Okay, means plus x. Okay. Now what you do? You keep on now dividing it. So now coming back to the second one, if you wanted to divide, guys, what you do? You go like x square into x. Okay, you consider only this term. You forget about this. Okay, we are done with this first term. Okay, we have multiplied the first term. Now you go with the second term. Okay, multiply with the second and multiplications may be a little bit problem in this division polynomials of division, but you don't consider the first term, guys. Okay, we are done with the first one. Now it's time for the second one. Okay, give time for the second term. Okay, now what you do, x into x square, x into minus x into 1, like that. Clear? Very good. So you don't consider this. If you wanted to, if you have any doubt, what you do, you rub it. Okay, you take off this, you rub it, and you just go with this, and again write this term. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, now let me go for the next one. So here you have the second one. You just multiply it where x into x square is used what, x cube, means plus x, right? So plus x cube. Now what is next? Here you have minus x into minus x into x square. This becomes minus x square. Are you getting it? You have plus 1 x. This becomes what? Plus into plus x. Okay, 1x. Is the board clear? Are you getting it, guys? So this is what happens. Now what you do, you go with like subtract this both the equations. So plus, so here you have minus, here you have plus. Imagine. So minus. Okay. Wait a minute. So here you have plus, guys. So minus into plus, this becomes minus. Okay. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Is it good? Is it clear? Are you getting it? Very good. Now what you do? Plus minus cancel. Plus minus cancel. You have minus 4x square. Here you have plus x square. So this becomes what? Minus 3x square. Okay. And you have 4 over here. Plus 4 minus 1. This becomes what? Plus 3x. Okay. And what you do? You bring this 5 down. You bring this 5 down. Okay. You bring 1 as easily. This is easy as division. But divisions normal divisions. Okay, you bring one term as the step goes on. Okay, now here you have minus 3x square. Now this came here where we know minus 3x square. So minus 3x square. What will be the value if I add? If I add minus 3 over there, then it would become what? Minus 3x square, right? So what do? I will add minus 3 as it is. Okay, I will keep minus 3 over here. This becomes what? Minus 3x square. Okay, minus 3x square as here or over here. So minus 3x square over here. So minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square. Again minus 3 into minus x. Minus into minus plus, right? So plus 3x. Clear? So minus 3, plus 1 into minus 3. Plus into minus. Okay. So minus 3. This becomes 3 1 3, right? So minus 3. Now guys, here you go with subtraction over here. So this becomes plus. This becomes minus. Okay, this becomes, are you getting it? This becomes plus again. Plus minus cancel. Here you have minus 3x, here you have plus 3x, this gets cancelled. So here you have plus 5, here you have minus plus 3. Here you have plus 5, here you have plus 3, this becomes 8. 5 plus 3, 8, right? So 8 will be the remainder, I hope. Okay, 8 will be the remainder, guys. Clear? Where the coefficient equal to what? Coefficient equal to x square plus x minus 3. And remainder equal to 8. 8 is the remainder, guys. Is this clear? Very good. Is this clear? Now let me go for the next one, the third one. Third one here you have is, wait a minute. X power 4 minus 5x. Wait a minute, guys. The third one. Now guys, here we got what they have given the p of x value and g of x value, where p of x value is x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and g of x value they have given in the textbook. Actually they have the g of x value, they have given what? 2 minus x square. Okay, 2 minus x square is the g of x value, and p of x value is x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 is the p of x value. Then here the question is like they have given p of x value and they have given g of x value. Now we must find what? Q of x and R of x, right? We must find what? Q of x value and R of x value, means we must perform the division process. Now coming back to here. Sorry. So we must perform the division over here. Now where the solution? Now let us write down here where p of x value. P of x means what? Dividend, as we know, right? So let me write down here where x power 4 minus 5x. They have given directly minus 5x. So what you do? You got x power 4. Let's go for x power 3, like 0x3. Let me write down here. Instead of going directly to 5x, as if we write like 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. If we write our question like this, then it would be very easy. Like we can solve very easily, right? Okay. So if we write the values, okay, if we write the missed values, then it will be very easily. It will be very easy to solve the given question. So here you have x power 4, 0x cube and 0x square, 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6 is the dividend that we found. Okay. Now going back to g of x. G of x, guys, here you have x square, means here you have 2 minus x square, right? So to easily solve the given question, I will write like here, this is the given g of x. Now what you do is, firstly you write x square. Okay, firstly you write x square. Here you have minus x square. So what you do, you write minus x square over here. You have plus 2, so plus 2 over here. Okay, this is what we have rewrote it. Like we have formed this as it is, but what we have done, we have got the first term firstly and we have written the second term later. Okay, this is what we done. So now here we got g of x. So let me write down the g of x value over here. Sorry. So this is the g of x value, where g of x is what? Minus x square plus 2 will be the g of x value. Okay, and this will be the p of x value. Clear? Till here. Now what you do is you go for the next one, where firstly you have here you have the first term. Here you have the first term, where here x power 4 is the first term over here, and minus x square is the first term over here. Now what you do? You go and you equate the first term over here. If I add minus x square in the coefficient, okay, if I add minus x square in the coefficient, where minus x square gives what? Minus x square gives what? Plus x power 4, right? Now next order, you got what? Where minus x square plus 2. Minus into plus minus. So this becomes what? Minus x square, okay? Guys, here I haven't written any value over here because we didn't got x cube, right? We didn't got the x cube value. So let this be x cube. Where 0x cube means there won't be any value for that. So let it be. Okay. Now as here, where minus x square plus 2, where minus x square into plus 2, this gives what? 2x square, guys. Not x square, where this gives 2x square. Okay, minus 2x square. Are you getting it? Here you have here you have minus x square, here you have plus 2, minus into plus minus, 2 into x square, 2x square. That's how I have written 2x square over here. Clear? That's how I have written 2x square over here. Now what you do? We must subtract this, the first equation from the second equation. So minus into plus, here you have plus sign, right? So minus into plus, this gives minus, this becomes minus, and minus into minus, this becomes what? Plus. Clear? Now let it be here. This goes where plus x power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancelled. Here you have 0x cube, it is not having any value, like we won't have any value for it. Now next you have plus 0x square, you have plus 2x square. Don't consider these values, consider the lower value, okay? Consider this value. So sorry. So consider this value. Now here you have minus 2x square, right? So let us don't consider this value, don't consider minus. So then what you do? You consider plus, this becomes what? 2x square. Okay. This becomes what? Plus 2x square. Clear? Are you getting it? Now what you do? You bring this 5x, right? Minus 5x and plus 6 as it is. Okay. Now you go for the second one. You have the first term over here at 2x square. Now try to equate the first term to x square over here, right? Here I have minus x square. Now what would I do? If I write minus 2, okay, if I add minus 2 over here, minus 2 into x square, minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. This becomes what? Plus 2x square. Clear? That's what I have equated. Okay, this is how we will be equating the first term. Okay, consider the first term and write the same term, like equate the first term. Okay, that's the only process that we are going to do in the divisions of the polynomial. Now you have minus 2 done with the first term, and you have minus 2 as it is. Here you have plus 2. Okay, minus into plus minus. So here, let me write down here, where minus into plus minus 4. Okay, so I have written 4 over here because this is the constant term, right? In the place of constant term, I have written that. Now you have what? Where plus minus gets cancelled, as you have minus symbol over here. Plus, so let it be. Okay, this becomes minus, right? And this becomes what? This becomes plus. So plus minus gets cancelled. Here how minus 5x, right? Minus 5x as it is because minus 5x is having a value. Like minus 5x means it will be having a value. Here I haven't written 0x cube because 0x cube this 0x cube is not having any value. So that's what I haven't written over here. But here when minus 5x is having some kind of value, so that's what, right? Minus 5x. Clear? So So minus 5x, here you have what else you have? Here you have 6 plus 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 gives 10, so this becomes plus 10. Where minus 5x plus 10 will be the remainder for this given question, means r of x will be minus 5x plus 10 will be the r of x, and q of x value is what? Minus x square minus 2 will be the q of x value. Clear? Hope you got it. Thank you.